Hello guys, I'm Manoj Mishra, so I'm back with another interesting video. Today I will tell you about how to create macro in Personal Workbook. Alright, and what all are the benefits of creating macros in Personal Workbook. Alright, so first I will talk about benefits. So first benefit of creating macro in Personal Workbook, you don't need to save the file as macro enabled workbook like you do when you create a macro with a traditional way. Alright. Then second benefit of creating macro in Personal Workbook, it is the Personal Workbook opens automatically whenever you start Excel and allow you to run all macro created under the Personal Workbook. Alright. So let me show you how to create a macro in Personal Workbook and how it works. Alright. Okay. So go to View. Then record a macro, give a macro any name, I am giving it test, and store your macro in Personal Macro Workbook. Alright, that's okay. So you can, so now recording is being started. So either you can record your macro by doing some action and stop it, or you can write it manually in the VBA editor. So I will choose to record my macro in the VBA editor. Alright, so I'm going to stop this recording. Alright guys, so macro has been stopped. So we can now just edit our macro. So for editing macro, we just need to first go to Personal Workbook, which is currently under a hide mode. Right, so you need to unhide the workbook. Alright, so Personal Workbook has been activated now. So go to View Macro and select the macro, just create it, edit it, and you can write any macro. So for sample purpose, I'm just going to show a message box with a text hello world. Alright, so I'll just run it. I'm closing the macro. Whenever your work is completed on the Personal Workbook, just hide it. I'm hiding it. Alright, I'm closing this file as well. Or whenever, so just see, when you will close the Excel, you will find a pop-up which says that save the changes you made to the Personal Macro Workbook. If you click save, the macro will be available the next time you start Microsoft Excel. Alright, to save this, press the save button, and now just open a fresh new file, Excel file. Click on a blank sheet and go to View Macro and New Macro. Now you can see personal.xlsb test macro is available for you and you can run it. So you can see the Personal Macro Personal Workbook was available on the new Excel workbook. So you can create a macro under a Personal Workbook and run it anywhere without saving your file in a Excel. It's macro enabled workbook. Thank you so much. Till then, bye.